Hi, today I will be discussing the challenges faced in the MarTech audit. So, in my earlier videos, I had discussed why audit is important, what are the key aspects of audit, and why we should templatize or strategize our audit before even starting to audit. So, in the MarTech audit, consultants and organizations are so busy looking at tech stack subscription, function, cost, features, and adaptability of the tools. Like what kind of tools provide us more tracking and flexibilities. So these kind of discussion ultimately sometimes lead to migrations of tools, replacement of tools, and hiring external agencies and consultants to support this changes because maybe we do not have the bandwidth to support this in-house. So a really good question that should be asked internally is why do we need this change? And is this change required? So that kind of help us in understanding if we should really spend the time and amount of money in making this kind of change. And the another aspect of audit is always assessing and reviewing the owners of the processes and the roles of the team while auditing the MarTech operation tech stack. And this kind of is always overlooked because it's always important to have the right team and the right skills, which is important for the marketing operations to work. It's not only about the tool, but it's about different aspects that make marketing operations work. And ultimately, you want to make the alignment of the sales and the marketing team work.